In today's digital world, we trust banks more than ever before. We store our savings online, make payments instantly, and depend on financial apps powered by artificial intelligence. But what if the same technology designed to protect us is also creating hidden vulnerabilities? What if artificial intelligence loopholes inside banking systems are quietly opening the door to fraud, manipulation, and financial instability? AI is everywhere, from your mobile banking app to the global financial networks that move billions of dollars every second. Yet, while AI makes transactions faster and smarter, it also creates weaknesses that even the most advanced banks struggle to control. And the scariest part, most customers have no idea how exposed their money really is. In this video, we will uncover the hidden side of AI in banking. How it works, how it fails, and how criminals exploit it in ways most people never even imagine. So before you continue using your financial apps with full confidence, watch this video till the end. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share so this information reaches everyone who needs to hear it. 1. Understanding the rise of AI in banking. Artificial intelligence now performs tasks that once required thousands of employees. It analyzes transactions, detects suspicious behavior, approves loans, predicts market movements, and even controls security firewalls. Banks rely on algorithms because they are fast, efficient, and capable of processing millions of data points in real time. But with great power comes great risk. These AI systems are not perfect. They make decisions based on patterns, guesses, and probabilities. If these patterns are manipulated, even slightly, the entire system can be tricked. And unlike humans, AI does not feel when something is wrong. It does not question, hesitate, or sense danger. It only follows code. This creates loopholes that remain invisible unless someone deliberately looks for them. And because banks operate 24/7, even a small AI flaw can affect millions of users in minutes. 2. Data poisoning. When criminals corrupt the AI brain, one of the most dangerous loopholes is known as data poisoning. Artificial intelligence learns from the information it is fed. If criminals inject fake data into this learning process, the AI begins making wrong decisions. Scammers often start small. They perform harmless-looking transactions again and again, slowly teaching the system that this pattern is normal. Once the AI accepts this pattern, the criminals launch a large fraudulent transfer, one that the system now ignores because it matches the approved pattern. This method is silent and extremely hard to detect. Even security teams often fail to notice because, from the AI's perspective, everything appears correct. This loophole shows how criminals do not need to hack the system. They just need to teach it the wrong things. 3. Deepfake identity attacks on banking verifications. Modern banks use facial recognition, voice authentication, and biometric verification for security. But with advanced AI generative tools, criminals can now create deepfake faces and voices identical to real customers. Someone could use your face to open a bank account, access your digital wallet, or approve transactions without ever meeting you in person. In some cases, AI-generated voices have successfully passed bank phone verifications, fooling systems designed to detect subtle vocal patterns. As deepfake technology continues to improve, the line between real and fake becomes thinner. This creates a terrifying possibility. Your identity could be stolen without anyone ever touching your physical documents. 4. Algorithmic bias. When AI makes unfair money decisions. Not all AI loopholes involve criminals. Some come from the AI itself. Algorithmic bias occurs when AI systems unintentionally discriminate based on flawed training data. A loan might be rejected not because you lack financial history, but because your area, demographic data, or spending trends match past fraud patterns. Banks often cannot explain these decisions because AI models are complex black boxes. Even engineers struggle to understand why the model behaves a certain way. This lack of transparency becomes a serious financial risk. Customers lose trust, banks face backlash, and people end up paying the price for invisible algorithmic errors they cannot challenge. 5. The loophole in fraud detection systems. Every bank uses automated fraud detection tools. These systems look for unusual behavior, large money transfers, foreign transactions, rapid withdrawals, or patterns similar to known crimes. But criminals study these patterns too, by splitting large amounts into tiny transactions, a technique called smurfing or microfraud. They bypass detection entirely. AI systems trained to look for big threats often ignore these smaller movements, allowing criminals to operate silently for weeks or months. This loophole has become so common that many banks lose millions before discovering the issue, and by the time they do, the money is long gone. 6. Insider manipulation using AI tools. Not all threats come from outside. Some of the biggest risks involve employees who understand the AI systems better than anyone else. With access to internal tools, they can manipulate risk scores, bypass controls, or alter transaction histories in ways that appear completely normal to the system. Artificial intelligence makes this even easier. Employees can use AI to disguise suspicious behavior under normal patterns, making the activity nearly impossible to detect. This type of insider fraud is especially dangerous because it comes from people who know exactly how to avoid being caught. 7. AI-powered cyber attacks on banks. Cyber criminals are now using AI models to hack banking systems. These models can scan firewalls, test vulnerabilities, and even generate attack strategies automatically. Advanced tools can write adaptive malware that changes its signature every time the bank tries to block it. This shape-shifting behavior makes traditional cybersecurity tools nearly ineffective. Once hackers gain access, AI helps them move across systems rapidly, stealing data, manipulating accounts, and causing widespread disruption, sometimes before bank engineers even notice the breach. 8. Automated trading manipulation. Banks and investment firms rely on AI to predict market movements and execute trades within milliseconds, but criminals exploit this speed by injecting false market signals. Through rapid fake orders, they manipulate AI trading bots into buying or selling at the wrong time, causing artificial instability. Millions of dollars can be lost in just a few seconds. This loophole not only affects banks, it affects the entire financial market, shaking investor confidence and risking large-scale economic impact. 9. The risk of AI system failures. Sometimes the biggest danger is not hackers or scammers, but the AI system failing on its own. A single algorithm glitch can freeze transactions, mislabel genuine customers as fraudsters, or temporarily erase important data. In global banking networks, where systems are tightly interconnected, one small failure can create a chain reaction. Customers may find their cards blocked, payments declined, or accounts inaccessible, all because of a hidden AI error buried deep inside the system. 10. Can your money ever be truly safe? So the question remains, is your money really safe? Artificial intelligence brings speed, efficiency, and modern convenience, but it also introduces risks the world has never experienced before. Your money is secure only if banks stay ahead of criminals, keep updating their AI systems, and invest in transparency and safety. As long as technology evolves, loopholes will continue to appear. The only true defense is awareness and continuous improvement. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future of banking, but it also creates risks that most people do not understand. The best protection you have is awareness, knowing how these loopholes work and staying alert when managing your money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share so more people can protect themselves from hidden threats. And do not forget to turn on notifications because more eye-opening videos are coming soon. Stay smart, stay informed, and stay in control of your money.